Okay, so for the next problem, we're going to go ahead and draw this 5-hole with chamfer example. So first thing we're going to do is we're just going to draw the size of the box, which is 5. This is how I'm doing it. You may do it otherwise. 5, 5, and close. You could also use this command, the rectangle command, if you wanted. So what we need to do is we need to actually put our center lines in. You can go different ways. I'm going to do my center lines first, so I'm going to do an offset. 0.5 is my distance. And select my lines. Ooh, I didn't look right. I'm going to erase that. I'm going to do an offset 1. And select my line, go this way, this way. I'm going to draw a circle. And the diameter, you can hit D if you want and put 1. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a copy. CO or copy, select the object, intersection, 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 intersection. And we gotta put the middle one in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna offset over that and do 2.5. Select this one, select that one. I'm gonna put a circle and then hit D for diameter and put 2 in. So right there's our part. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna offset it 0.25 just so I can clean up my center lines. And I'm gonna do a trim. Select these. What trim is just telling it what do I want to clean out of there. So I can actually do a big long swath of these sides here. And then I can erase now, hit E. If you accidentally select something, hold shift down and unselect it. Oop. I didn't want to do that, I want to trim these. I just did TR. Come over there. Now erase these. So this looks good. So now what we have to do is there's a chamfer command. So you can do chamfer. If you look here, chamfer first line, but we actually need to change it. So we're going to do distance. We're going to type the distance in. It's 0.5 each way. So you're going 0.5 and 0.5. And if you select your line and just hit space, it'll repeat the command. You could do various things. You could do a mirror. You could do all sorts of things. So right there it is. So now what we're going to do, we'll fix these to be center lines. And since I already loaded my line type in there, I have center 2 there. And now I'll just change these to object lines here. I'll unselect that. And now I can make these object lines, make them a little thicker. There's my part. So we just need to throw some dimensions on it now. So I'm going to use my linear. I'm just going to go follow the part how it's shown dimension wise. That way I know I get everything. Checking my dimensions as I go. If you notice, I'm trying to select the endpoint so I have a gap in my extensions. So then we'll just keep going around. And we'll do our diameter in here. We can move it over here. As long as the dimensions are and it's not in the way of something else. Now we're going to do a leader. And if we select our, if you do a snap override, if you hold shift right click, you can do a midpoint or you can turn your midpoint on down there. I'm going to turn my ortho off. And I can type this in 0.500 by 45, I believe percent D will work for diameter. Chamfer. And there you go. Oop, seen the previous problem. So right there, that should take care of it. That is 5 holes with a chamfer.